Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at AMD stock, guys. So let's do the price action analysis, and most importantly, as if you have seen my Nvidia video in the morning, I touched a little bit base on AMD over there that yes, my stop loss is hit on this, and so I'm fully out of the position. What were the reasons that, well, the reasons are that's how I planned for it. If this starts to, the reason I have my stop loss here is because that's where this change of structure would be. And so let's talk about all of that. Has the structure changed back again? Is it a new bull run start from here? Are we going higher up from here? So in this video, we'll talk about all of that and what I'm planning with my position. If any new position I'll be opening, I'll talk about everything in this video. So guys, with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. All right. So let's wrap this thing up first. So yeah, this is the stop loss hit. And what happened, right? So it was going great. I didn't want to take, again, yeah, I didn't take any partial profits on this thing, guys. It's yeah, this was such a negligible move down here, even though it went close to my next level, but it was just a negligible move. I didn't take any partial profits, but today I just had to take, a full position out on this thing. So this level of 161 and 80 cents around is where the structure break to the downside was, and then you can see that's where I was playing this to the downside, to the short. It held this level. Not just that, like all semiconductors are up today. I can see AMD is selling off a little bit again, but and this is where the principles and the rules of trading are. Structure is changed, that's it, get out of the position. And because now what's happening, yes, I can see the sell-off. In the hindsight, I would be like, oh, I should have held my short position. But no, it's not about what happened in the hindsight. It's about your rules of trading and sticking with those rules, because in the long run, you have seen that sticking with the rules, and this is based off, as you will yourself develop in the experience of trading, you will be building your rules as well of trading. Now for me, I know the data of my trading from the years tells me that, junior trader, it's better that I just stay with the technicals, don't put anything on the hope. If the stock is not anymore in the structure and the planning how you were taking that trade, just get out. So that's that. And technically, guys, structure is not to the downside still, even though we are seeing some sell-off after that. So but let's talk about that. So let me take it to the hourly interval first. So what happened over here, right? Yeah, the change of structure started happening, and I wasn't really liking it. Again, well, when I say full position is out, like I took out in chunks, but yeah, when it like fully out, when it's this big green candle started to go above 200 hours moving average, I was like fully out of whatever was left there. And so yeah, the change of structure happened as soon as we got above this area of 161 and 80 cents around. And then so started sizing out a little bit here, and then this was the area 164 and 27 cents around, right? And this is where once we got above it, I didn't have any appetite to hold on to it, and I just wanted to get out. And yeah, remaining position fully out over there as well. Now yes, we are seeing a sell-off. Is it a short again? And the answer to that, at least in my opinion, again, nothing is financial advice here, only for education purposes. You go and do whatever you want to do. I'm just sharing my opinion here. So in my opinion, structure is not bearish. Yes, we are seeing some sell-off, but that's fine. But the thing is that AMD is keeping a bullish structure until and unless, well, we break again below at least now 162 and 62 cents. If that's not happening, structure is still going to remain either bullish or choppy. We'll talk about that as well. And let's talk about it right away, actually. So you can see this is where somewhere we are rejecting right now. Again, it's not going to be penny to penny perfect, but I'm just, showing you that this is that trend line right now we are rejecting at, okay? So, but the thing is that it has a room to create a pivot above somewhere 162 and 62 cents. We have a 50 moving average support, 20 moving average support, and not just that, we also have this structural change support now that AMD has turned back above $162 range, 162.50 cents or so forth, right? I'm not going to be precise penny to penny here. So yeah, either it's going to just continue up or going to stay choppy as long as we're above 162 and 50 cents or 60 cents, whatever. Yeah, the thing is that the structure will remain bullish above these levels, and that's why I just want to get out, because this also led to it going above that 20 days moving average. Right now, I'm not wanting, again, my principles are this same day. If my position is closed, I don't flip or open another position that very day. And so no, I'm not doing any new position on AMD right now. I want to see how this thing turns out. If it wants to break again below 161 and 84 cents area, or it's just going to continue higher, we'll get to see that in, well, soon enough. So let's go to the 4 hours actually, so that I can show you a channel actually here. So you can also follow this particular channel, guys. It's not penny to penny perfect, but this is the channel also it is trying to be in. But yeah, it just looks like a more of a chance that it can, yeah, this area zone is 162 area zone is at least for now, looks like a good support. It has a potential to hold a support there, because on the daily interval as well, right now in the technicals, it's showing a bullish structure suddenly, right? We are above 20 and 50 days moving average, the structure change above 162, all right? So that's that, guys, with AMD. So just, yeah, turned itself around fully, not just AMD, all of the semiconductors. I'll do a video on SMCI as well, but also before wrapping up this video, just want to show you Nvidia. The morning video that I did, back then we were just hovering at around $1,200. Then we had a clean breakout on Nvidia. I'll talk about it more later when the market has closed as well. But you can see we did a clean breakout up again, and we are going higher. Yep, super strong. Still no signs of slowdown on this. Yeah, this thing is rocketing. Right, let's wrap up with QQ and SPY real quick. Just want to show you that no, not stoppable, unstoppable. Yeah, all-time highs already, guys. Yeah, QQ, look at it. Yeah, this just, wow. Yeah, so much of, yeah, that's what's the pivot, right? Wow. All right, let's take a look at SPY. Wow, it's also, yeah, almost just testing all-time highs, and that's what I was talking about in the morning video as well, that I'm not seeing any signs of slowdown. Just because it's getting to the top, right now I'm not even seeing any signs of slowdown. Yeah. Wow, market is very strong. But anyways, guys, I'll talk more about in other videos. This was more specifically for AMD. So you, yeah, see, getting bought back up already. All right, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.